I'm David Baggs, CEO, co-founder and technical director of Global Green Tag International. We've spent the better part of the last 3 years developing a new product standard and declaration process that enables you to be a more important contributor to the circular economy and indeed in nature repair. The essence of circular economy is to make resources circular, make products last longer, and repair and restore nature. They are the 3 precepts of the circular economy. We're doing a good job of focusing on the first 2, and to date, completely ignoring the third. What we're doing is introducing metrics where they didn't exist to allow the importance of nature and the repair of nature to be included in the certification, information provision, and indeed manufacturing outcomes of products, and enabling specifiers in the A&D community to be able to easily access that information at whatever level they want. The reason that this standard is so important now is that we are beyond the initial tipping points in planetary biodiversity and climate collapse. If we're to have a future on this planet, we need to start repairing nature because we depend on it. If we don't start actually redressing some of those existing impacts, then our future is bleak. The Nature Positive Declaration looks at all aspects of how a product is manufactured, how it interacts with the environment, and how it interacts with the people in its supply chains. It measures all of those impacts along the way. It specifically looks at resource circularity, separately at human and environmental toxicology, the life cycle impacts of a product, the life cycle benefits of a product, including water consumption and climate impacts. That enables designers, specifiers, procurement agents, buyers, and just citizens to become part of that ethical procurement and ethical purchasing process that help repair nature as well as providing the product that they're after. Manufacturers who are taking that leadership position at the moment are already offsetting their products to net zero carbon. We're challenging them to not use just carbon as the focus, but to use biodiversity as the focus, to generate biodiversity first, which then generates the carbon sink potential to enable climate repair. The Nature Positive Declaration delivers a variety of outcomes. It delivers a tag that shows the rating level and a percentage positive statement and a QR code that takes you directly to the product assessment page on the website. It delivers a certificate that includes how that product interacts with the green building and healthy building rating systems, or it can be a 30 to 40 page transparency declaration that details the metrics used to calculate that category and explain the importance of the product in that category, at the same time providing scientific metrics that can be used, for instance, in the life cycle analysis of a building, including into the supply chain and the ethical supply of labour into that supply chain. This will be the ultimate transparency declaration, and we hope you'll never need anything else.